want to know what's nuts? How many other businesses or professions wait 2 or 3 years to actually get paid, and then they'll only get paid if they get the client a good result? You want to know what this is all about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. It's a gorgeous day today. It's nice and cold. It's the day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday. My wife is out shopping, so I have a few minutes to share this great information with you. I was listening to a great marketer talk about business owners and how they could improve their service by thinking about what if you only got paid for getting the client or customer a result. And the more I thought about it, that's a brilliant strategy. And then I kept thinking about how we as attorneys who handle accident cases, who handle medical malpractice and wrongful death cases, actually get paid. The reality is that we only get paid if we get the client a result. We only get paid if we get a positive, good result. We only get paid after 2 to 3 years of handling a client's case, and only if we get a positive result for the client. So that's exactly what this marketer was talking about. And the more I thought about it, the more I tried to find another profession, another business that does the same exact thing. And the reality is that they don't. Could you imagine a basketball player if he only got paid if he scored 30 baskets a game? Could you imagine a baseball player if he only scored a certain number of home runs? Each game he would get paid after 2 or 3 years. Could you imagine a doctor, a heart surgeon, only getting paid if his patient survives the heart transplant after 2 or 3 years? There is no other business or profession that turns around and says, listen, we're only going to pay you for all the work that you've done over the past 2 or 3 years, and then only if you get a successful result. If you don't, you get nothing. And then you've lost all the money that you have invested to try and prosecute this case. That's remarkable. That's eye-opening. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because this was eye-opening to me, even though I've been handling these types of cases for 26 years, and we always work on what's known as contingency, which means getting paid is contingent on getting you a successful result. It's remarkable. There is no other business or service provider in the state of New York that waits 2 or 3 years to actually get paid, and then only if they get the client a good result. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.